everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, now we are asked to solve for x here. We are asked to solve this. 8 raised power of x over 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 over 8 into 4 raised to the power of 3 over 4. Now this is indices. Okay, we are given something like this. Once it's indices, the first thing you should do is to put everything in the same base if possible. That is, if you have looked at the question and you notice that yes, you can put them in the same base. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now how do we put them in the same base? This 8 is same thing as 2 raised power of 3, so I'm going to replace it with what? 2 raised power of 3 brackets x over 2, okay, is equal to, this one is already in base 2, they already put it in base 2, so I will write whatever they wrote there, okay, into, now this 4 is same thing as 2 raised power of 2, 2 raised to the power of 2, remember we have 3 over 4 here before, okay, so this is what we have reduced it to. 2 raised power of 3 into x over 2 is equal to 2 raised power of 3 over 8, which is equal 2 raised power of 3 over 8 into 2 raised power of 2 bracket 3 over 4. Now if you look at this, notice that 2 can divide itself. 1 divide 4 to give you what? 2. So this side now you are left with what? 3 over 2. Okay, now let us continue. So what do we have here now? 2 raised to the power of, for this you can multiply this, and if you do that, it's going to be 3 times x, which is what? 3x all over 2, okay, is equal to, you have 2 raised to the power of 3 over 8 times this bracket means multiplication, okay, times you have 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2. That is what is remaining here right now. Okay, so what do we do? All right, if you have followed me to this level, it means that you are actually enjoying what I'm doing. So I think it's time for you to click on that subscription button. Okay, please subscribe to the channel and also on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, all right, so at this point we are going to apply the law of indices, and there is this law of indices, the multiplication law, that states that if you have numbers in the same base, okay, that is, if you have, for example, if you have 2 raised power of 3 multiplying 2 raised to the power of 4, okay, that it is equal to 2, you are going to pick 1, 2, okay, and you will now add the powers, 3 plus 4. So your answer becomes 2 raised to the power of 7. All right, so we are going to apply the same law here. We are going to apply the same law here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we have here 2 raised to the power of 3x over 2 is equal to, we are going to pick 1, 2 here because they are in the same base and they are multiplying. Okay, so we picked 1, 2 and we are going to add their powers. So it's going to be 3 over 8 plus 3 over 2. Okay, so you have 2 raised to the power of 3x over 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of, we are now going to multiply this, we are going to add it, sorry. Now how do we add fractions? Like normal fractions now. The LCM of 8 and 2 is what? 8. So 8 divide 8 will give us 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. Plus 2 divide 8 is going to give us 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Now what do we have? We have 2 raised to the power of 3x over 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of, this is 3 plus 12 is what? 15 all over 8. Now notice that they are in the same base. Once they are in the same base, you can equate their powers. So what does that mean? So this implies that 3x over 2 is equal to what? 15 over 8. Can you see that? 3x over 2 is equal to 15 over 8. We are equating their powers once this and this are equal. Now what do? We cross multiply. Okay, 3x times 8 is going to give us 24x is equal to 2 times 15 is going to give us what? 30. Now at this point, believe me, we can easily get our x, right? So how do we do that? If we divide both sides by 24, because it's only that time that 24 can cancel 24 and you're left with only x. Okay, now 3 divide 30, you are going to have 10. 3 divide 24, you are going to have 8. Okay, now we have 10 over 8 here. 10 over 8. We go ahead and divide again. If 2 should divide 10, you have 5 over. If 2 divide 8, you are going to have 4. Now you can leave your answer like this, or you can change this to mixed fraction, or you can even change to decimal. Okay, now this 5/4, let me change it to mixed fraction. It's going to be 4 divided 5. You are going to have 1 remainder 1/4, and that becomes your answer. Do have a lovely day and bye.